All right, folks, welcome back. This week on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do Shipwreck Casserole, and you can about put anything you got in your fridge in this. This is what I'm going to do today. We're going to do some carrots, some corn, some green peas, a couple russet potatoes, a big old onion, tomato soup, some rice. We're going to use half a cup. I'm going to use some garlic. You can use whatever seasonings you want. 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds of ground beef, whatever you want. I'm using peppers today. I'm going to use a green and a yellow and a couple jalapenos. You know, sky's the limit on this. Do what you want. Clean out your fridge. Throw it in there. Let's get this bad boy going next. There. All right. While you guys are watching Belvedere not like being filmed and headbutting my camera, I was busy chopping some stuff up. So I did my bell peppers, my jalapeno. I just cut my russet potatoes. I just did those with a knife. Feel free to use a mandolin. We got our rice out. I got our burger out. I got our other stuff out. I added a cup of water to our tomato soup over there. Oh, I forgot my onions. They're way back there. I'll grab those. We'll get centered and we will get this thing assembled next. Let's get rocking and rolling on the assembly of this Shipwreck Casserole. All right, there's the onions. Do them any way you wish. Obviously, I sprayed this with Pam really good. You can use butter or whatever floats your boat, you know. You do you in your kitchen, folks. All right, get a nice layer of onions there, like so. All right, that's step number one. Step number two, get your potatoes. And your potatoes, make a layer of your potatoes. Like so. You know what we forgot? A little bit of salt. A little bit of garlic powder in there. Use salt, pepper, whatever you want. Keep going with your potatoes. Like so. Trying to do this fast for you guys. Potatoes. Nice layer of potatoes. Now this is going to go in the oven for 1.5 hours, so you don't have to worry about everything being perfect there. Right, nice layer of potatoes like so. Give them a little salt. Garlic powder. And the next step is the one that's going to freak you out. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Let's get her done right now. So get it out of the way. Now you take your ground beef, raw. Yeah, I said it, raw. It's going on there raw. Like so. It's a nice layer. Ground beef, I think this was just a little over 2 pounds package that I had. This is a 9x13 if I haven't said that already. All right, I'm gonna make this look pretty. I'm gonna go wash these meaty hands. There's more steps. We'll be back. All right, folks, let's continue on. Here's our rice, half cup. It's right over the top of the ground beef. They're nice and spread, pretty even across there. Even as you can do her. That'll work. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Salt. Don't have to get too crazy with the salt because we do got that tomato soup and that's got a lot of sodium in it going on here too. Garlic powder. Hit it with our jalapeno. Obviously you don't have to use jalapeno. Like I said, you can use whatever your little heart desires when you're making this. Bell peppers. Top. Got some yellow ones too. A little sweetness in there with a little greenness of the green pepper. Like so. And we got some peas. Some peas on there. Like I said, you don't like peas, you don't use peas. Peas are yucky. No use peas. Alright. Kids don't like peas, leave them out. Kids don't like corn, leave it out. That's the good thing about this. All right, that's looking good. Looking good, looking good. A little bit of salt. A little bit more corn. I like corn. Corn's delicious. All right. Top it off with our carrots here. Like so. Trying to move fast. You guys get more. Oh man, I dropped one on the floor. Maybe the Belvedere will eat that up. I doubt it, but maybe. All right. Looking good. And you can make that look as pretty as you want. And then our tomato soup with 1 can of water in there with our soup. That just goes over the top. I really can't see what I'm doing right now, but you want to try to get it everywhere. I hope I'm doing a good job there. Now I can kind of see sideways there. Let that kind of soak in. All right, there she is. I'm gonna preheat the oven, preheating up to 350. I'm gonna put foil on this. It's gonna go in there for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. I'll see you then. Okay, here's the final product. It actually took about 2 hours. It was 1.5 hours covered at 350, and then the carrots they were pretty much done, but I wanted a little color on it, so I uncovered it, gave it 30 more minutes. So there it is. Let's plate it up next. All right, let's see how this thing looks. Get it right in there. Oh yeah, nice and steamy. Ooh, ah. All right, there we got it, folks. Shipwreck Casserole, looking delicious, doesn't it? All right, let's take a taste of this bad boy here. It's hot. It's hot. Mmm. Definitely good eating. Ow. There you got it. Like I said, you can put many things in it, whatever you got laying around. Make it your own. Get her done. We'll see you next week, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a good week.